Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai I10 and this car have a problem. Air conditioner not working. Okay. When I start car on AC, see here I do on, but AC compressor not working. So we can check in our live data. I will show you. See in live data, AC compressor when I do on here, but you can see here compressor on, air condition on, but if you check in engine room, compressor off. See, you can see here compressor not working. That's the problem. Today I will show you why this compressor not working and how you can solve this problem. So first of all, we check fuse, because AC fuse is here. We need one tester like this. Fix it in ground. Remove fuse cover. Check all fuses. This fuse damage, see, third number, which is 1 2 3, which is for AC. We'll remove it. You can see inside damage. So we replace this fuse. You can hear sound. Now AC working. See, so fuse problem, that's why AC not working. Okay, so if your car have same problem, check this AC fuse. Okay, thank you.